Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. Made it through another week here. Hobbling around a little bit better on this air cast. Hopefully only another week. Now I can take that off and had enough of it. But anyway, got to the Dollar Tree, cruised around in my little scooter, which is kind of cool. Picked up a few things, not a huge haul. Still, they got a lot of Christmas stuff and everything coming in. A lot of boxes. I'm pretty sure the truck came in yesterday, but they don't have the stuff out yet. So hopefully next week I can find some more good stuff. But anyway, I'm going to flip you guys around over here so I can show you what I got. Alright, I got my nice new poster board on here. Nice and clean for until I do a craft, and then it won't be anymore. But little P ripped it up last week. Or not last week, it was Tuesday. But it was so dirty anyway, it needed to be changed. But anyway, let's see, I have everything in my bucket over here again. Just because, you know, me hobbling around here, I'm not very organized right now. But anyway, my husband picked up the Ocean Spray, just the regular cranberry juice. These are $1.50 now, right? I wrote stuff on here, so I don't have to keep looking at my receipt. These are $1.50. But he loves those. I got another bag of my cheese balls. I have just been on this kick since like the beginning of summer. These are still $1.25, which is like yay, because you know, snack things in the grocery store are expensive. It's like $5-6 anymore. But that's a nice big bag. They last me a good long time. I actually just ran out of the other ones that I had from before. Let me see what other goodies they have in here. I got a bunch of stuff, but oh, they had these back in. I love these for winter, so I'm going to stock up with a few more of these. These are the Tootsie Roll Hot Chocolate K-Cups for Keurigs. These are so good. I love these. These are still $1.25 too. And you get 3 in each box, so I like those. So I'm just going to put them away in my cabinet. And yay. What other goodies did we get? My husband got the Kit Kats. Little snack pack here. You get 4 of them in here. These are still $1.25, and so are these, thankfully. And you get 6 in here of the Butterfingers. These are my favorite. I've been eating these a lot lately. I get addicted to one thing, and then I stick to it for a while. Picked up a couple cans of the Man-Witch. We like to mix these. So I always get one of the original and one of the bold. I don't know why. To me, they taste better. I don't know. I don't like just the bold or just the original, but if you mix one of each, it's really good. So those are still $1.25. And those are, I love that for a nice, quick, easy dinner. I love quick and easy dinners. Oh, also got a pack of the mini Snickers. Those are yummy. Love Snickers. I don't know how many you get in here. What do you get in here? What does it say? About 12. No, 10. Put these little guys in there. I got my soap. These are still $1.25, I believe. Yeah, they are. Still $1.25. The Coast, it's a 2-pack. Love this. I'll tell you guys, it's my favorite soap. So I grabbed another one of those. And another one of the Spick and Span. This is $1.50 now, I believe, yes. But I love this stuff for in my kitchen. And it cleans really good, and it doesn't have a strong scent. That's my big thing. It smells good. It's the lemon lime, but it's not like overpowering. It just has a nice clean scent to it. All right, now for the plus section, I picked up this little mini Mist Maker lighted cauldron. It says you connect it to the USB cable to the adapter, but I did not read the fine print. So you get your little cauldron here. You fill that up with water. It lights up, I believe. That's what it looks like in the picture. And then you have your little USB cord here. And you're supposed to hook this up to the adapter. But guess what? That's not included. So you would need it just says connect USB cable to adapter. But anyway, this is what it's supposed to look like when it things. I don't have the adapter in here. I just assumed, you know, it just gives you the instruction, tells you what to do. And then in the very fine print down here, the adapter's not included. But whatever. Hopefully it's really cute. I need to give this to my granddaughter to take to her house to use for Halloween. But I'll have to find an adapter. I know I have one around the house here somewhere. But that was $6. And that's pretty cool if you're into all these little cutesy things for Halloween. It's really nice. I hope it works good. If I can find an adapter, maybe I'll video it later on, but I don't know why I just thought it was in here. It's just the way the instructions read. It just tells you right here. There's your instructions. But there is no, this piece is not in the box. You have to buy that separately. Anyway, it's cute. I was a little disappointed, but that's what I get for not really reading it. This I got for $7 too. I'm probably going to give this to her too, because she has a little one, and, you know, they're fun little things for Halloween. Now this one already has batteries in it. It has those little, like button batteries. But look how cute. His eyes all light up, and the pumpkin lights up. So I thought that's a really nice little, his eyes really bright too. I get that just, there you go. Look how bright his eyes are. But yeah, I thought that was real cute. Not bad, $7. And it's a nice heavy plastic. It's not like, you know, something you can squish together or anything like that. It's pretty well made. So that's that. That's going to them. I got some of these. These I haven't seen before. I think these are new. This brush set. It has the angled brush, a round brush, or it has two angled brushes, small one and then a large one, and then this round brush here on these pretty blue handles. It looks pretty much the same. Haven't tried them. These are $1.25 still. So far I love Dollar Tree's brushes, the other ones that I always get, the ones with the ones with the blue handles. These, well, that's got paint on it, but anyway, they're blue. But I love these brushes. I use these. They wash great. They last a good long time. So I'm going to try those out, see how they are. I did get 2 packs of these larger cable ties here. You get 16 in here. These are $1.50 now. But we use a lot of these things around Christmas time outside. So I figured I'm going to stock up on some of these right now. So I got 32 of these zip ties. So I'll put those away in my little box over there for Christmas time. Oh, and I got a whole bunch more of these letters, the galvanized letters. And these are all marked down to 25 cents a pack. And I love these. I like to paint these and use them on a lot of different little DIY projects. So while they're all marked down to a quarter, every time I see them in the different stores, I just grab as many as I can get my hands on. But not bad for a quarter. I also got this little, it's called a decorative glass bottle, is all they're calling it. I've seen a lot of people make the cute little angels out of this. I'd like to make an angel out of one of these. I think that's just so cute. And these are still $1.25, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be $1.50, but nope, still $1.25. So, and they have these in different colors. They have them like in blues and pinks and purple. But I just wanted the clear one. And you can put something in there, whatever color you want, on the inside there. Then I got a bunch of ribbon. I'm going to get this now. This is all Christmas ribbon. So pretty. I love Christmas stuff. But I did pick up some more of the, now these are all $1.50 now. The glitter ribbons. I love these to do things with for Christmas. You get 4 yards on here, and it's 5/8 of an inch. And they're really pretty. So that's nice. And then this one I thought was really cute. This one says Holly Jolly. This is a wired ribbon. It's 1.5 inches by 3 yards. But look how pretty that is with Santa on there. Isn't that nice? Very nice. Love that one. And then I got this one here with the little gingerbread people on here. This one's the same size. It's got little candies and all kinds of things on it. And then I picked up a bunch of these. These are really pretty. I like to use this stuff like in the back of the ribbons. You know, if like you layer a ribbon. Let me open one up here because you really can't see what this stuff is like when it's not open, if you haven't seen these before. But it's like a really wide open mesh. It's 3 yards, 2.5 inches. So it makes a great like backing for different projects. So yeah, it's just like this really pretty glittery mesh. And then when you put that in the back of your other pretty ribbons, it just looks so nice. So I got that in the red. What did I say? How much was on here? 3 yards. I hope they come out with like their little, what were they called last year? I don't know, it's like a little embellishment ribbon. I don't know. But I haven't seen any of those out yet. So anyway, I got that in the red. I got one in the gold. And I got one in silver. So I'm all set up for all that kind of stuff this year. Let me put this away. Oh, I hear a little piece screaming out there. But anyway, that is it. That is what I picked up this trip at Dollar Tree. I'm hoping they have a lot more goodies out next time when I go. I'm excited about that. I love, going on the hunt for new stuff. And it's been a while since I found any really exciting new things. But I'm going to put all this stuff back here in my little bucket. So I can bring little P in here so he can say hi to everybody. He's getting loud out there. He wants his time in the spotlight. So I'll be right back. Here comes. Say hi, everybody. He saw me grab this peanut, huh? You haven't had one in a while. We've been doing the whole wood thing. Jeez, what was that? You want it or no? Not my finger. Do you want the peanut? You haven't had one in a while. You just haven't been interested. Which is weird, because all the other birds, man, they see me go in the peanut jar out there, and they get all excited. Yeah. Well, maybe we are excited too. Jeez, what do you call that? Here. Have you done anything exciting since Tuesday? Not really. You've been a pretty good boy. Yeah. Because we spend a lot of time in the living room with the foot up. And he's been pretty good, pretty quiet. As long as he's sitting by somebody, he's happy boy. You want this peanut? And you get your other one? Oh, stop yelling at me. You are such a weirdo. I know. Do you want this one? Ooh, that one's not good. How about this one? Now we're done. Do you want your piece of wood? I have that over here. You're not tearing up my thing today because I just put it on here. You don't even want your piece of wood today. Is it sleepy time? Did I get you at a bad time? It is kind of getting to be your sleepy time. Get the one. None of these. Look at all these nice peanuts. You don't care. Were you just eating out there or something? Are you full? Huh? Are you full? What? Or maybe you don't like that black cat over there. Let me tip him down. Maybe is he bothering you? It's gone. I'll go on here. I'll cover it up with something. There. I don't think you like that Halloween cat there. No, moved it. He's not gonna get you. You don't even care about the real cats. Hey! Nasty. I'm glad you like me. Okay, I guess we're not eating. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. That's good. Yep, here come the trucks down the road, pig. I don't think they're ever gonna get done with this street. Ever, 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 ever. They had the big machine go through the other day that ripped up all the old blacktop. They had steamrollers out here. They had dump trucks with stones. And they got the road all nice and smoothed out. But apparently, the intersection here where all the water is and the gas and all that stuff, the little, I don't know what you call it, things that come up out of the ground so they can access it. Yeah, somehow they, with the steamrollers and everything, they accidentally, I think, pushed them all underground where they're not supposed to be. So, they've been out here all day digging that back up again. We thought they were getting ready to blacktop and this would be done. Pompeii. But nope. Still got the trucks. Still got the beep, 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 huh? I know. You guys are so sick of it. There's another one. See how he gets when they start beeping? He just freezes. I know. We're over it, huh? You seem so far away today. Yep, must be a bunch of people back out there again because now the dogs are barking. We've had enough, huh, Peg? I know, you don't like it. I don't like it either. No. You want this before I eat it? I'll eat it. You know I love peanuts. No? Alright, mine. What do you think of that? I ate it all up. You have no more peanut because I'm a piggy. I know, there it is again. I was just so annoyed yesterday with all this noise. Some days that doesn't bother me. But when they have like 4 or 5 different trucks and tractors and things out here doing things, and they all beep, and they're all beeping in different tones, and it literally drives you mad after a while. So that's what it's doing to me. Huh, it's making your mama crazy. Tomorrow we gotta go to the store and well, they won't probably. Well, they have been working on Saturdays. It's a different crew of people out here now. I know, they're right back out here, huh, Pay? I'm so sorry. Gonna ruin your whole afternoon, isn't it? Yeah, he's not happy, boy. He's not gonna be doing anything here now that they're back. They weren't out here when I started my video. Everybody was gone. I figured that'd be a perfect opportunity to get my video done without all the noise and the dogs barking and the people out here. But they back. Huh? What do you think? Well, I think we're going to let everybody go because you're freaking out. So we'll get out of this room and go farther away from the noise. So everybody, hope you have a wonderful weekend, guys. And we will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.